Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming exactly which input the Technics accepts and why that matters. AUX/line accepts line-level signals, phono does not. Once done, gather either a 3.5 mm to RCA cable for most phones or an RCA to RCA cable if you have a phone adapter. If the amp lacks Bluetooth, get a Bluetooth receiver. Power on the stereo, select the matching input, and lower the volume to avoid speaker bursts. This protects speakers and ears as you make the first physical or wireless connection. Now you connect and configure for clean sound. For wired, plug the 3.5 mm end into your phone or Lightning/USB-C adapter and insert the RCA ends into the Technics L and R line/AUX jacks. Left is white, right is red. For wireless, pair the phone to the Bluetooth receiver, then plug the receiver into the line input and select that input. Make sure the phone's EQ is neutral and volume around 3/4, so the amplifier receives a full, undistorted signal. Finish by playing a familiar test track and slowly raise the stereo volume while you check left/right balance and clarity. This helps you detect clipping or polarity issues early. If you hear hum, secure the ground, try different cables, or increase distance from routers and phones that cause interference. If there's no sound, recheck the Technics input selection, ensure cables are fully seated, confirm your phone's output and Bluetooth pairing, and try a quick restart of the phone or receiver to clear temporary glitches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.